Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you the short trick for integration of a linear by linear function. Okay, so let us start by example. The example is x plus 2 upon 3x plus 4, which is linear by linear. So I'm directly going to write the answer in a few seconds, and then I will show you the trick how you can also write the answer in a very few seconds. So the answer goes like this. Okay, so I've written the answer like 1 by 3x plus 2 by 9 ln 3x plus 4 plus k, which k is the constant of integration. Okay. So as you saw, I wrote the answer in just 4 or 5 seconds. Okay. So we can also take another example. Okay. So in this example, the function is 4x plus 3 upon x plus 1. Okay. So the answer is, okay. So the answer is this. And here also the k is the constant of integration. So you must be wondering like how I'm writing the answer in a very few seconds. So let me show you the trick how you can also write the answer in a very few seconds. And the trick is goes like first I will start with the linear by linear general function, and then I'll use the final answer. So you can consider it as a proof of this trick. Okay. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, I have taken a linear by linear function ax plus b upon cx plus d into dx. Okay, so I have to integrate this linear by linear function. So how I'm going to do this, let's see. So first I'm going to reappear this function cx plus d in the numerator. Okay, so what I want is I want this linear function cx plus d to be in numerator. And so for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a common from this numerator. So this will become this. Okay, then the coefficient of x in the denominator is c, so I want the coefficient of x in the numerator also to be c. So that's why I'm going to multiply by c in the numerator and divide by c also. So it will become like this, cx plus bc by a and then a by c. Now there is a d also in the denominator, so I'm going to write d. I'm going to add a d and then subtract a d so that I can get a function cx plus d in the numerator also. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide cx plus d by cx plus d and this whole thing by this. So this will become 1 plus, if I'll simplify this, this will become bc minus ad upon a and then cx plus d. Okay. So now let's integrate it. So a by c will be common. Integration of 1 will be x plus this whole constant thing will be come out. And then integration of 1 upon cx plus d will be ln cx plus d divided by the coefficient of x, which is c. So after integration, I have got this answer. Let us simplify this some more. So I'm going to multiply by a by c. So this will become a by cx plus a by c into this whole thing will become a and a will cancel out. This will become c square in the denominator. So this is the final result that I have got. And if I simplify it further, then I will get this result. So this is the final answer of integration of linear by linear function, which you can remember so as to write the answer in a very few seconds. So let us verify this example whether what I've done is correct or not. Okay. So let's see this. Okay. So according to the formula, what will be the answer? This will be coefficient of x in numerator upon coefficient of x in denominator. That is a by c. So here a is 1, c is 3. This will be 1 by 3 times x minus AD minus BC. So A is what coefficient of x in numerator and D is what the constant term in denominator. So what we are going to do is we are going to cross multiply this. So 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3, this one 2 into 3 upon c square. What is c square? Coefficient of x in denominator, and then what? ln the denominator whole thing 3x plus 4. Okay, so let's simplify it further some. So this will become 4 minus 6 will be minus 2 and minus into minus 2 will become plus 2. and this 3 square will be 9. So as you can see, and then we can also write the constant of integration, which will be k. So as you can see, we have got the same thing what we wrote in just few seconds in the start of the video. So you can use this formula to write the integration of linear by linear function in very few seconds. Okay. Okay, so this was all for today. Hope you liked my video. And if you liked it, please share with your friends, like my video and subscribe it also. Thank you and stay updated for more videos and short tricks like this. Thank you.